Hello everyone, this is Christmas Sticker Fab. It is Labor Day weekend, it is Saturday, but my wife and I are here at the office shipping you guys' packages out, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this Land Cruiser First Edition Fender sticker for your 2024 and up Land Cruiser. You probably saw this in the press release. I went to Toyota UK's site and I saw a decal on Toyota's vehicle right in this area. Note, this is not a first edition. You probably know that. Good indicator are the mud flaps and the roof rack from this angle, but we can make different versions of this, just like we made different versions of our tailgate emblem. You can see I took the Prado off right down there, and I made a version that's more suitable for this Land Cruiser base, which is not a 1958 and not a first edition. So it just says LC250. It's a 250 series and known as the Prado in the rest of the world. But we can do that same thing right there. I know some people requested this because they saw that photo. So we made these stickers. You'll get 2 of them, and you will also get 2 templates. It's basically an L-shaped template that will go right up against the fuel tank and right below this line. And then you use transfer paper that's already placed on this, and you press down and you get the proper alignment for that sticker. I think it's 20 5/8 inches will measure back from this seam, this gap right here on the inside. And then we'll place our other L-shaped template right there and place that sticker right there, and we'll be done with our install. So let me go get that. Let me get a microfiber, some spray detail that doesn't have any wax, clean this off really well. I'll get a tape measure too. And since I don't have a second person helping me because my wife is busy right now, I'll just get a little piece of painter's tape and I'll place that right at the 20 5/8 mark, and then I'll place my template right past that. All right, everyone, like any other vinyl install, we want to do this in 70-degree or higher weather. The vinyl just reacts better, the adhesive is better under those conditions. And if you notice, I'm on the shadier side because I don't want the sun stretching out the vinyl, really heating it up and whatnot. But let's clean the application area, and we're going to clean a little bit larger than our target area. Always. Take your microfiber, your non-wax detailer, something to clean that off. Just want to show you the template real quick. So the template we're going to be using is actually not this. This is the first one I did. I realized kind of messed up. Let me go grab the right one. All right, this is what your template looks like right here. I said I was going to get a little painter's tape, but I redid the template and I just included a little strip right here. Let's take that strip, we'll hold it in our hands. Ideally, you're going to do this when it's not very windy outside, not very breezy. I do have a tape measure here in my pocket. So we're going to go to that door seam right there, and we're going to find, it'd be a lot easier if I had someone else here. We're going to find 20 5/8. Try to hold that there. Definitely a lot easier if we had a 2-person install. Can't really pull hard on this tape measure or it's just going to move. But let's mark 20 5/8 inches, which is right about there. Let's put a little vertical mark. Now, let me go back and grab the template. On the other side, it's obviously a lot easier because we're basically starting right at the back of the fuel door. I'll show you that in a second. This is the one I'm going to want to grab. And because this template is ultra sticky on the back side, well, it's just normal vinyl, but it's going to be sticky. I'm going to spray it down so I can slide it around. I'm spraying it as I take it off so the wind doesn't catch it and make it stick to itself. I'll spray the application area as well. And we're going to take this and butt it up against that 20 5/8 mark. But we're using this seam right at this fender line as the upper mark. Okay, I'll take this off real quick. Ball that up. I'm going to take my microfiber again. I'll just find a nice clean spot. Dry this up. because the install of the actual decal is a dry install. So we have clear grid paper on here. It's a premium grid paper. Nice because it has the lines and it's clear so you can see what's going on. This is a dry install, so I'm going to be very careful. Don't want it to fold on itself. I'm going to kind of get eye level with everything right now. And everything will be on the painted portion, but it's going to be butt up against this template mark. Gently let it drop, hold up the one side. I'm going to press down right in the middle. I'm going to push out, and I'm going to push this way. So now it's all the way down. I'm going to come back, press it a lot better. I'm going to press every single letter out. You can see this getting milky right here. It's a little bit wet still. Then I'm going to gently pull this back. The best way to do this is not to pull straight out like 90 degrees, but to kind of fold it back on itself and peel it off. And we peel the template off. It should be in the exact same location as the other side. Let's move on. Let's look at the other side, and I'll show you why that side was a lot easier to mount, and I'll give you the visual of the entire vehicle. So I made this install based on this side. I eyeballed what I saw in the press release, and then I made the template after putting this down. I simply eyeballing it. This side's a lot easier because we're just taking that template, we're starting right here and laying it down right there. So you don't have to measure 20 and 5/8 inches back, because 28 and 5/8 inches back is right there. But looking good on both sides. Please leave comments in the comment section below if you guys want me to make the other versions as well, the 1958, the LC20 Prado. Anything you guys want, we could probably do, as long as other people are gonna buy it. So please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for latest and greatest things for the 2024 and up Toyota Land Cruiser. Also, visit our website at stickerfab.com.